Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how we can enable or disable voice control. So when you are in the horizontal mode, now we have to slide from the upper section of the screen and the icon of the voice control we can find in this place. So when you tap on it once and highlight on the blue, it means that the voice control is turned on. To turn it off, just click another time. And if you wonder how to find the voice comments, I'm going to show you where you can find all of them. So you have to go for the preferences right here. Next, go for the voice control, and here you'll find all comments. So we can find a lot of comments. I'm going, for example, to use GoPro take photo. As you can see, the photo was taken. And we can find this photo right here. So as you can see, the voice comments works in this device, and that's how you can enable or disable this feature. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.